the often asked question was, who's responsible for the migrant crisis, for the lakhs of people on foot? Why are enough trains not running? Well, in this new order, it's supposed to be or can become a state versus centre battle all over again over the Shramik specials. The Home Ministry has now dissolved a crucial consent clause. The central government has now said that there is no requirement for any state permission to start running these Shramik trains. I've got Neeta Sharma joining us with all the latest. Neeta, this clearly means that now more trains can ply, more trains can go to different destinations and not to the liking of those many states who were refusing permission to these trains.
It's a one way of looking at it, Sanket. The other way is that it might lead to some confrontation between state and centre yet again. You know, if the states are not willing to receive the passengers sent by the other state, also like in the case of West Bengal, we had earlier also seen. But in this case, the revised SOP clearly states that the consent of the state which is receiving the migrants is not needed. However, the SOP cleverly says that the states need to designate, nodal officers to receive the migrant laborers who are coming. And the SOP, there are 2 or 3 more things which the new SOP says. Second is to include more stops, more halts, because earlier we were seeing that these Shramik trains were running from point to point, and there were many cases in which Shramiks were trying to get off the train in between, leading to many accidents also. So now that has also been done away. Now more halts have been given. The halts would be decided if the passengers belong to certain area, the halts would be decided that way. And third is, like we had seen in Bandra today, so many people, so many passengers came, they all wanted to go to the similar destination. Now the Ministry of Home Affairs has also asked states and also Ministry of Railways to publicize, to advertise which all trains they are running for next 24 hours, so that people can, have information well in advance and then they can plan their journey. Sanket?
That's true, Neeta. But, see, there is a political dimension where the centre has repeatedly, in fact, the Home Minister has gone on record to say that he has spoken to Mamata Banerjee and requested her to allow more trains or allow trains inside her state. There is a political dimension, isn't it? Can you just give us a sense of what could have forced a decision like this? This in a way exposes the culpability of states as well.
Absolutely. There are many states, there were many, like recently, only 2 days back, even Goa, which has again been ruled by the, BJP only. They are saying that we don't want any direct trains coming from Delhi or any other destinations to Margoa. They're saying you can send trains which go to the destinations further down south, but don't send us direct trains because many people are coming who are testing positive. So this is a double game which the state and centre is playing, and maybe that's why the centre now decided to do away with that clause. Now in the new SOP it clearly spells it out that the consent of the receiving state is not essential when the trains are going to be decided. Sanket?